discount Relief Factor with no fun. But hey, I'm not the only one out of pain.
I was in pain for many years. My back, shoulders, my neck. I heard about Relief Factor. I ordered the 3-week quick start, and I am so glad that I did, because now I am pain-free.
The father and son owners of Relief Factor, Pete and Seth Talbot, created the 3-week quick start for one simple reason. Getting older, exercise, and everyday living can be painful, and $19.95 is obviously a bargain. About $1 a day. Pete and Seth are literally on a mission to get you out of pain too, and I'm joining them. Go to relieffactor.com, relieffactor.com, or call 800-500-8384. That's 800-500-8384.
I want to make something of myself.
I want to succeed. The National Guard recruiter helps me get where I wanted to go. The Guard is providing me with paid training.
In the National Guard, I get money for college plus a steady paycheck. In the Guard, I train at my home.
I'm there for my family, my community, and my country. And I'm proud to be a member of the National Guard.
Call 1-800-GO-GUARD and ask how you can get the education and job skills you need in the National Guard.
Sponsored by the Arkansas National Guard, aired by the Arkansas Broadcasters Association and this station.
Now, your Doppler radar forecast, constantly updated. KCMG.
Wind chill advisory up until 9 o'clock this morning. This wind chill is running around 18 below zero in spots. Winds from 1 right now 6 o'clock this evening until noontime Thursday. For the possibility of snowfall running 4 to 6 inches. For high day will be back around 20, low tonight at 15. To snowy 26 tomorrow. For your Traverse 1 hour heating and Michigan Weather Center.